Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4 ln minus 5. So if I do first derivative of this one, we have the u. First derivative of ln x, you got about 4 over x. First derivative of this one, you got about 0. So we just have the x. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we put number 4 go to the left. So about this one in here, for ln minus 5, we change by u. The x over x, we change by the u over number 4. The integration of u to the power of 3, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and we put about c. Number 4, you got about 16. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.